Ever pondered if there's another you out there in a parallel universe enjoying a different flavor of ice cream? Well, strap in as we dive into the fascinating world of parallel universes and the multiverse conundrum. Imagine this: every choice you make, every decision you take, creates a fork in the road of your life. Now, what if each fork led to a different reality, a different universe? That's the basic concept of parallel universes. They're like a multitude of cosmic neighbors, each with its own unique reality. Think of it as a deck of cards. Each card represents a universe, and every possible arrangement of these cards corresponds to a different reality. In one arrangement, you might be a renowned physicist unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. In another, you could be a world-class chef cooking up a storm in a Michelin-starred restaurant. And in yet another, you might be a rock star belting out chart-topping hits. The possibilities are as endless as the permutations and combinations of that deck of cards. It's a mind-boggling concept, isn't it? The idea that there are countless versions of you out there, each leading a different life, each with a unique story to tell. But how can this be? We're not just talking about one or two extra universes here. We're talking about an infinite number of universes, each existing independently of each other, yet all part of the same cosmic quilt. This is the multiverse theory, the idea that our universe is just one of many, each differing slightly or vastly from our own. It's an idea that challenges our understanding of reality and forces us to question our place in the cosmos. It's a concept that's both thrilling and terrifying in equal measure. So, next time you're enjoying a scoop of your favorite ice cream, remember this: somewhere in a parallel universe, there's another you, relishing a different flavor. And who knows, in that universe, you might be the one explaining this theory to me. Quantum mechanics, anyone? Don't worry, no equations here, just pure mind-bending physics. So let's dive into the quantum quirk that suggests the existence of parallel universes. Imagine a world where you are both reading this script and not reading it at the same time. Sounds crazy, right? But that's the fascinating world of quantum superposition for you. In the quantum realm, particles can exist in multiple states at once. They can be here, there, and everywhere until they're observed or measured. Once that happens, the particle seems to choose one state and the superposition collapses. But here's the twist. What if the particle doesn't really choose? What if, instead, it continues to exist in all states, but in different universes? Enter the idea of parallel universes. This is where Schrödinger's famous feline comes in. You've probably heard of this curious kitty, right? In this thought experiment, a cat is placed in a box with a radioactive source and a vial of poison. If an atom of the radioactive substance decays, it triggers a mechanism that breaks the vial and kills the cat. Now, until we open the box, we can't know if the cat is alive or dead. So, according to quantum mechanics, the cat is both alive and dead at the same time. But what if, when we open the box, we're simply tuning into one of the realities while the other continues to exist in a parallel universe? In one universe, we find a live cat, and in the other, well, let's not go there. This idea is what quantum mechanics brings to the table. It suggests that for every possible outcome of a decision, there's a universe existing where that outcome is a reality. So is the cat alive or dead? In a parallel universe, it might be both. And that, my friends, is the quantum quirk, a key that may unlock the door to understanding parallel universes. Now let's dive into the cosmic pool of parallel universe theories. Imagine a cosmic buffet where each dish represents a different theory about parallel universes. First on the table, we have the infinite universe theory. Now this theory is like a hearty stew. It's got a bit of everything. It suggests that the universe we inhabit is but one of an infinite number of universes. Picture this: an infinite number of you listening to this video. Some of you may have even clicked the like button already. Next up, we've got the bubble universe theory, the salad of our cosmic buffet. This theory proposes that our universe is a bubble, floating in a cosmic foam of countless other bubbles, each one a separate universe. A bit like the bubbles in your bath, except these bubbles contain entire galaxies, not just your rubber ducky. And finally, we come to the dessert, the many worlds theory. This theory is like a multi-layered cake. where each layer represents a different reality. Every time a quantum event happens, the universe splits into different realities. This means there's a reality where you're a world-famous rock star, another where you're the president, and yet another where you're... Well, let's just say that in some realities, not everyone can be a winner. Each of these theories, from the hearty stew of infinite universe theory, the salad of bubble universe theory, to the multi-layered cake of many worlds theory, brings its own flavor to the cosmic buffet of parallel universe theories. And the best part? The buffet is all you can eat. You can pick and choose which theory tickles your fancy, or you can grab a big cosmic spoon and try them all. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the cosmic scenarios that might be hiding beyond our universe. But remember, these are just theories. The universe is still full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Who knew the universe had so many siblings, eh? If parallel universes exist, what does that mean for us? Now there's a question to ponder over your morning cup of coffee. Imagine this. You wake up one morning, stumble into your kitchen, and there, making a cup of tea, is you. Not a reflection, not a twin, but another you. A you from a parallel universe where perhaps you prefer tea over coffee, or maybe you're the Prime Minister, or a rock star, or an astronaut. The possibilities are as limitless as the universes themselves. Now, before you start worrying about interdimensional identity theft, let's consider what this means for our understanding of reality. If there are infinite versions of you, each living out a different life, how do we define you? Are you the sum of your experiences, or are you the potential of all possible outcomes? It's like trying to pick a favorite flavor of ice cream at a shop with infinite choices. And what about free will? If every choice you've ever made exists in some other universe, did you really make those choices? Or were they always destined to happen? You just happened to be in the universe where you chose chocolate over vanilla, cats over dogs, or Star Wars over Star Trek. But don't let this existential crisis ruin your day. Just think of it as having an infinite number of chances to get it right. Missed that job interview in this universe? Don't worry, another version of you nailed it. Burnt your toast this morning? Somewhere out there, you're enjoying the perfect slice. You see, the implications of infinity aren't just mind-bending, they're also rather liberating. They remind us that we are part of a larger, more complex tapestry of existence, where every choice matters and yet doesn't. So take a deep breath, embrace the uncertainty, and remember, somewhere out there in the multiverse, you're living your best life. So if you meet your double, remember they're from a parallel universe. No, you're not seeing double. Are parallel universes just a figment of our imagination, or a reality waiting to be discovered? Let's delve into the current state of research in this mind-bending field. For now, the evidence is as elusive as a black cat in a coal cellar. Yet this tantalizing prospect keeps many physicists awake at night, their minds whirling in a dance of dimensions. At the heart of this cosmic conundrum lies the question of evidence. You see, for all the mathematical models and theories, we've yet to find a shred of empirical evidence to back up the existence of parallel universes. But don't let that extinguish the spark of excitement. In the world of physics, the absence of evidence isn't necessarily evidence of absence. It could simply mean that our tools for detection aren't sophisticated enough yet. Consider this. A mere century ago, we hadn't even discovered other galaxies outside our own Milky Way. Now we have a map of the cosmic microwave background radiation, a snapshot of the universe just a few 100,000 years after the Big Bang. Who knows what discoveries the next century will bring? The quest for parallel universes is more than just a pursuit of knowledge. It's a testament to human curiosity and our relentless desire to understand the nature of reality. It's a journey that takes us from the smallest particles to the vast cosmic structures, from the dawn of time to the farthest reaches of the future. It's a voyage that challenges our perceptions, forces us to question our assumptions, and pushes the boundaries of our understanding. In this majestic cosmic dance, parallel universes are the final frontier, the ultimate challenge to our understanding of the universe and our place in it. They're a reminder of the mystery and beauty of the cosmos, a testament to the power of human curiosity, and a beacon of hope for future explorations. Parallel universes? Science fiction or future fact? Only time, or perhaps another you,